I know the answer to that question. I want to just say good morning once again to all the children waking up. Do know that you are wonderful, you are blessed, you have potential, you have opportunity. To all our teenage moms watching right now, do know that you have purpose and you're going to raise that baby good and proper. And to the men who are impregnating our girls and not standing by, stand up and man up and look after our own picnic. That is my message this morning as we get ready for Christmas. And now joining me, these two lovely ladies are giving love to mothers at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. It's an amazing initiative. They're here to share it with us. They're from the Kiwanis Division 23 East, and it's a co-chair of the Young Children Priority 1, Shelley McFarlane, and Lieutenant Governor Sharon D. Williams. Morning to you both.
Good morning, Empress. Good morning. Thank you so much.
You are smiling.
Yes.
Why are you smiling? Is it because of what you're doing?
Definitely. I mean, this project, our Baby Love project, is something we've been doing since 2013. We really just bring joy to mothers at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital.
That's what Baby Love Project is, just to bring joy?
It is to bring joy to those mothers who have given birth to their newborns. It really is a time of giving. And so we have some super sponsors on board with us. We have Caramed as a major sponsor.
Great.
Yes, we have NCB Insurance Company as a major sponsor. We have Answers as a major sponsor, and Fontana Pharmacy, Shelley, is also coming on board with us.
Great. Dr. Shelley, go into more details about what you've been doing since 2013 with this project, Baby Love Project.
Okay, so each Christmas morning, all the clubs in Division 23 East, we go down to the Victoria Jubilee hospitals and we give baskets to all the mothers who are there, and especially for the babies that are born, the first babies that are born, the first three, they get special gifts. They get an additional gift on that morning. So the mothers there look forward each Christmas morning to coming out and engaging with us. I mean, not coming out with us, going out with them and giving these gifts with all our major sponsors, as the LG indicated. This year, we'll have the Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Winston Delahaye. He'll be giving out the gift to the first baby that's born. We'll also have Mrs. Charmin Edwards, the director of the nutrition unit, and Mr. Green, the CEO of the Victoria Jubilee, will be giving out the gifts with us.
So you ladies, you're service-oriented. You get up, and on Christmas Day, you leave your families, and you go to support these girls. Why do you do this?
Because we love to serve. The fact is, Kiwanis is about serving. Our motto is serving the children of the world, and that's what we do. In Division 23 East, we have 20 clubs. So picture this. You have members from 20 clubs, each club doing an average of, say, 4 baskets. We're at 100 baskets so far, and just journeying down to Victoria Jubilee Hospital. And one of the nice things about on this day that the first baby born will also get a playpen from Answers for Children. That's Marilyn Beckford, who's a member of Kiwanis as well.
My mother's very good friend.
Oh, well,
she's a good woman.
She's a super person. She's a super person. And so it is what we do. We know that, you know, you hear it's almost like a cliche, children are our future, but they are. And so we invest a lot in our children in Kiwanis. So we do work with other groups such as our senior citizens. We do reading with children in schools, but we really do a lot of focus on our children.
That is so great. And for those watching who are not a part of a Kiwanis club, one word to them. Would you like them to join?
Yes.
Of course. Well, we always say if you love to serve, if serving is your passion, Kiwanis is the place to be. And we have so many clubs that you can choose from. We have 4 divisions in Jamaica. So even though I speak of Division 23 East, the one that we represent, we have 3 other divisions. So based on where you're located, there's a Kiwanis club there for you.
Ladies, thank you. Maternal and child health is important, child care and development, love for these moms and the children. And I've served at Jubilee too, and I know that, you know, our girls need you. Yes. So thank you for what you do.
You're most welcome. It's our pleasure doing it. It's our pleasure serving.
Excellent. Loud on a smile now, I see. From the today I'm just sitting next to greatness. It's such a great morning for me. From Kiwanis Division 23 East, co-chair of Young Children Priority 1, Dr. Shelley McFarlane, and Lieutenant Governor Sharon D. Williams. Ladies, thank you again. My people, my people, my people. It's now time for what? A break. My floor manager says we should take a break. We'll be right back.